What's clacking, everybody? It's your boy Zay Clack. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lace your Jordan 1s and make them look fire. So let's get it. Alright, so the first step is going to be to take your laces. You're going to take the two ends and you're going to lace them from the outside into the first two holes. And then what I like to do is I like to make sure that they're even first, and then I'll pull them all the way up. So like once I pull through, there's gonna be a twist. So I just kind of fidget with it and get it until it's flat. All right, so once your laces are flat, last thing you want to do is pull the laces all the way up. Make sure that the tips are touching. It's off camera right now, but it's this side that's longer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull on this end right here, and then pull over here so that the lace gets distributed evenly. They're gonna be even. All right, so next step, you're gonna take the inside lace. You're gonna spread it through your hands like this. Make sure that they're flat. What I like to do is I like to put it through and pinch as I pull, so that I make sure that the laces stay flat. Do the same thing on the other side. You're gonna do the same process, just making sure that the laces are flat all the way up till you get to this hole right here. All right, so now I've laced them all the way up until this hole right here. You're supposed to lace it underneath and through, and then I'll put it through the hole in the side just so you can see. And then I like to do the same thing, just run it through my finger and make sure it stays flat, and then you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. All right, so now you've gone to this point right here. You've laced all the way up until these top two holes right here. One last time, you want to just double check, make sure your lace tips are even. Mine are. If in the case that somehow they're not even when you get to this point, I just kind of go back a few eyelets and just try to like relace them and make sure that they're all flat, and then go from there. So once again, I'm going to go from inside. I'm going to lace it through this first hole, and I'm going to stop. I'm going to stop at the length where I want to loose lace it. So I like that length. I'm going to do the same on the other side, just going over the top and through. All right, so now I have this much with, I have this length on my lace tips, and I have like this much extra lace. Now what you want to do is distribute this extra lace throughout the rest of them by like slowly going through each one and kind of like pulling. So like you're gonna take it from the middle and pull outward, and you're gonna go down the line, doing that to all of them, trying to make sure that your lace tips, your laces stay flat. All right, so now when you get to the bottom, you're gonna have this. So you're gonna do the opposite now. You're gonna grab from the outside and pull it towards the middle. So you're gonna like take it and pull it this way, and you're just gonna kind of do that to all of them. And it looks messy right now, but what I like to do is I like to run my finger and spread it through and then adjust it as I go. So I'm gonna just try and make it more even. And there you go, just like that, you've loose laced your Jordan 1s. Your shoes is so important. It makes a huge difference, not just in how the shoe looks, but how it feels. Like when you wear like a loose lace pair of Jordan 1s, you feel like you're balling. You're like, man, Like it makes you feel good because you spend time lacing your shoes just right, and it looks fresh, and it's just like it increases your swag by at least 50%. Anyway, if you enjoyed the tutorial and you found it helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you like and subscribe if you're new. I'm trying to get my channel to 250 subs by the end of the year, and I'd really appreciate it if you could help me get there. And with all that being said, have a blessed day or night and stay clapping. Peace.
Perfect.